Here they are, beauties. Let's turn off the lights. And we'll be at the hour. They just come out of their burrows like this. It seems like there's a crayfish here.
We have another little crayfish here. We already have 4 of them. What a beauty this one is.
Hey guys, a big hello to everyone.
Today we went to the Seversky Donets River to show you how to catch crayfish the old-fashioned way.
Today the weather is just perfect for catching them, the first sunny days, and they will be coming out to the shore, so to speak, to catch them.
Yes, now we can chat, guys. We'll share all the details and show you where to catch them in which spots. Well, I hope everything goes well for us. If we catch anything else, we're planning to cook them right in the outdoors. First of all, we're going to make a crayfish trap out of reeds. What do we need for this? This, guys, is a knife and duct tape. Let's go! Here are the reeds. We have some wonderful ones here. Now we're going to cut out a nice one. I specifically dressed in eider to be able to go into the water. The reeds should be thick with a good base and preferably even friends. For this task, you definitely need boots or some kind of wading suit because getting to the reeds is still a challenge. That task, guys. Finding reeds is the easiest thing, friends. For such a wonderful crayfish trap, the longer it is, the better. But for example, here it is already tapering off. So I left about 1.5 meters for myself. So this is the maximum length. We can submerge underwater to catch a crayfish. We tear off all these shells and husks right away. We need a thick, sturdy base. It's important that the reeds are not rotten or decayed, that they are dense and good. If you look here, there's a rotten part, guys. This is a short bud. It's short, long, it starts right here. It's this long part that we need to catch crayfish effectively. We take the knife and cut right next to this bud. I recommend using a utility knife because you can do it carefully with that. And we saw it off evenly in a circle. Now we just need some blue duct tape. We know that blue duct tape is the strongest. Here's our bud, here's the edge where we cut. And we wrap our duct tape very well and tightly, carefully, right here on the bud. Now we need to carefully cut our reed lengthwise. Why did we use duct tape? When we open up the reed, it won't separate any further. We'll end up with a great clip. Our crayfish trap is almost completely ready, and we can go out for crayfish. But we need to take, guys, either a matchstick, just one, or simply, here we are in nature, take a small twig, we cut a piece off this twig. And we insert it into our clip. That's it, trap's ready. The warm weather has arrived, all the gnats have flown out. Guys, the crayfish are coming out along the shore to bask in the sun. We attached a camera to our crayfish trap so you can see it clearly. And here's one of the really good spots. We've already caught crayfish right here this year. They always come out here. And how do we catch them? You need to stand like this and carefully scan the area. You can even step into the water to see if there's any crayfish. Crayfish, yeah, look over there, he's right there. Look, do you see that? There's one. Crab shedler. Look, a nice one. Cute. The first one is, I want to give you some advice on traps. Make several, because we were fishing with this top. Somewhere she thought a little bit about how, you see, in some direction, that is, it remains short for us. Basically, this length is enough too, but if you want to catch some good ones, you should have a few extra traps ready. Just make them simple. Nice one. Wow, there's no tail, like there's no row. The bucket suddenly went off, and we keep moving on. It happens that you're standing right there. In one spot, and here, of course, he messed things up. You can already see the mud really well, but sometimes it happens that you're standing there looking for a crayfish, and you don't see it. You want to lean a couple of meters to the side, and you bend down. That's how it happens, you know, he lowers his head, stands there, and among all these leaves and reeds, it's quite difficult to find him. It happens. Sometimes I can stand there for, I don't know, up to a minute, just standing there observing. Why I started talking about matches is because if you have matches, you take a match and you put it in the crayfish trap. And you don't need to look for sticks. Since I didn't take any matches, then I find something similar on Earth. I break off a piece of a similar size, put it in the crayfish trap, and it takes longer to load with sticks than with matches. If you use matches, guys, you'll always have it loaded because sometimes you can find 2 crayfish lying there at once and sometimes there's nothing.
These places are just awesome. If Seryoga leaves a hint to the previous videos we shot when we were catching crayfish, the exact same spots just pop up and it seems like the crayfish are coming out of their burrows here. Well, something similar to it is what they come out like, and you just walk and look around. And it can crawl through the reeds or some other kind of grass. Well, the place is simply divine, but because of the waves it's hard to see everything, so we move on there. It's shallower there, maybe they'll come out to warm up. The water heats up faster there. Look at all the fry.
Fry.
Yeah. Oh, look at all the fry.
It's hard to see. I came out to warm up, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it came out to warm up, but there's no one here. I usually walk like this and like this. Well, it's much better to see with glasses. And I watch this picture as it goes along. Crayfish, no. Blade of grass. And like the series said, if you stand still for a long time, you look around. It might be right under your feet saying, "Hey buddy, I'm right here." Right here under your feet, it will be shouting, "Hey buddy, I'm here." Look right here, look at all the fry.
Well, I kept it until Eucariba like cancer.
Warm up. Look, there are places just for him. But we don't see anything yet. Found. Look what a friend. Where is he? Right here. He came out. He is alone. Like this one. Like an orphan. He sits. He understood. He is waiting for you.
Succeeded. Claw, yes. And his show, nature, sunset hand. Sunset hand. I said, "Give me your claw." And I pressed him down. Hold on, I've got him. Why do I need boots? You're holding him, right? Well, you really did it close. Couldn't get the battle horns. All right, guys, look here. You little rascal. You little rascal. Right to the claws. Yeah, you didn't catch it with your lips like that, right? You just grabbed them with your claws. So yeah, that's the thing, guys, yeah. Crayfish, they're like that. But you caught him. Good, what can I say? Oh. Where are you going to me? Will be, this business will not work. And with us bucket nowhere, you will not run away from wide dexterity.
Well, here's our little buddy without any eggs. Always carefully release the crayfish with eggs in their natural habitat if you want to keep coming back to catch them like this.
Demon, of course I found a beautiful crayfish. Now I'll try to take a look. You can see it well here. The sun is shining and everything is clearly visible. Demon, help me, do you see something? Tell me where. No. You can't see it and look at the woman. Look, right, under the shore, right by the birch tree, 3 years old. It's crawling. Oh yeah, you're handsome, see? Yes, you're handsome. Decided to take it away, look. Both wagtails, moths. What a handsome one. He tensed up, of course. He tensed up. They caught him. Let's pull him out now. Let's pull him out. Good job. There's another crayfish. Great. I'll bring the bucket now. Where's our bucket? Bucket, demon stick. Because guys, if there are places like this with crayfish, so there might be some nearby. Another one, well, you know, like with fish, if there's a bite somewhere, then there's a crayfish. Crayfish usually don't come alone. They tend to stick together. There might be some nearby, maybe a little further away. Let's try to show you the camera again, since this one is under the shore. We need to keep looking under the shore. All the time. Again, a bunch of fry. A lot of fish, trash, something I can't figure out. Hey Diamond, look. It's crawling away. You see it? Yeah, you see it. I don't know, maybe right now I scared the water. It turns out that maybe it's just that simple to scare away. They're quick too, especially if there's mud here. Yeah, I'll stomp a bit. Look, it's burrowing. I got caught by the claw, caught in Rio. Our grounded one, and I got it in a row. No, this is nothing, you know. Oh, what the hell? Is that a piece of the net or what? It's just grass, just grass. Here he is, our crayfish, handsome, handsome. Come here, another one. Come here, another one. I don't know you, but I'm scared of pike. Got it. Like this. That's good. Handsome. We have another little crayfish. So we already have 4 of them. Yeah, sure, it's a little, but this way you can still catch them without rushing.
We already know where they might be. Here's the beach. I just checked it out completely. But it seems to me that it's shallow. There can't be anything here. Here, there are cliffs. Even if we see them here, it will be very hard to get them out. Even for Sergey and waders, it'll be up to his waist right away.
They don't come out in places like this. The water isn't warming up.
Look, some logs over there.
We need shallow water.
This is shallow water, a small one, just like that beach. I had hopes for it.
Yeah, it's a little one, right?
Well, there was nothing there. Here's another good spot.
You can see the sun is warming it up just right. Well, over there.
The water there, maybe he'll go into the reeds.
It's getting enlightened perfectly.
He's crawling where Dima isn't. And right now, where it was warming up, yeah, if only I could get it out, you know.
You can do it. I'm watching. He's crawling away from the back.
Here.
You need to do it. A little bit in the head correctly. No, I didn't do everything. Correctly. The tail is already moving backwards. It turned out beautifully. Yes, crustacean. How much is 5 already? This is the 5th to receive 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. Excellent friend. Now if it bites you...
The fence, and even that too.
Guys, in places like this where there's a sandy beach, it's not very good for catching crayfish because they don't come out here. They need a bit of mud, a bit of reeds. As you can see, it's windy today, and that's really getting in our way, like really a lot because of the big waves. I'm going to go down now just to wash my shoes, and I'll show you the bottom. Look, it's very clean. You see, it's very clean. Absolutely sand. There's practically no mud at all. And there are no crayfish here. Well, never, no matter how much we've caught. In places like this, we haven't found them. Maybe, of course, somewhere further out, deeper, but that's already unrealistic. So the most normal depth for catching crayfish is up to 1 meter. The water warms up to 1 meter near the shores. The first thing to do is to have a chance to catch something. There's no chance here, so we just take it and move on somewhere along the shoreline. I see trees over there, the cliffs look good. Stumps, all sorts of them. We hope they'll come out either from their burrows to warm up, or as usual, they'll most likely come out from the depths of the riverbed. Slowly they crawl out from the riverbed into the shallow water. Many people make the initial mistake of not starting to look for crayfish. Friends, first look with your eyes and then search correctly under the shore and then move somewhere further. Dima, on Papamagi, you're wearing glasses, so it's not a crayfish. Look, he's there. Over there, over there, over there, over there, over there. That's not a crayfish, right? I'll go down, bro. Without glasses, when I look at the world. Without glasses, old man, yeah. Here he is, look, I can't see you. I see it now, I'll try. Cover your head, cover it, bro. At the very edge. Damn. I got one. I caught it very edge. Another one. Good. Excellent. Great. Take it, the bucket. This crustacean, right now the crayfish will be needed. They quickly, guys, will get very active. So when we press them in the video, look, we press them, they go into a bit of a coma, and then literally in a few seconds they come to and can run away. Well, that's why we need to put them in a bucket right away. They're quite the tricksters, aren't they?
Here they are, beauties. Let's turn us off. And we're going to eat them now.